the value for money with Tesco Mobile I just found so hard to believe. Even at first I was thinking, is that it? And as I used it I realised, no, that's it. There's no hidden charges.
I thought, is this really too good to be true? So I thought it had to be worth trying.
For €15 a month, you get free unlimited calls to all networks and landlines, and you get to keep your €15 to spend on add-ons.
So I top up by a fiver for the 1 gig data, and the other tenner I use for the unlimited text. It's just a rolling add-on every 30 days.
The plan I went for was the 30-day rolling SIM contract. With that, I'm getting unlimited calls, texts and data.
I never have to worry about using my phone at all, either for data or for phone calls.
I was paying €80 or thereabouts. I'm now paying 25, so that's 55 of a saving a month.
Over the last 2 years, I've saved in the region of €600.
Before I was paying €30 a month, now I'm paying half that, only €15 a month. Plus I get much more for the €15 a month.
And to me, this is amazing. I can go shopping.
It's not just that though, it's not just the money, it's the idea that at the end of the day I know how much it's going to be. My bill is always going to be the same. I switched from O2 about 2 years ago and it was really, really simple. It was straightforward.
Ordered the SIM online, ported my number, registered my credit card, topped up by the €15. I'd say in less than 20 minutes I was topped up and ported.
The Tesco customer service were incredibly easy to deal with.
I'm a Tesco shopper as well. I have my club card.
If I have €5 in club card vouchers, I can turn that into €15 credit. I'm not really paying for it at all then.
I'm very surprised that more people haven't discovered Tesco Mobile for the value that they offer.
Any of my friends, my family, colleagues in work, I've just said to them, try Tesco Mobile.
It just gives you freedom to use your phone when you want, how you want, and for as long as you want.
I think Tesco Mobile really listen to their customers and what they want, because there's so many packages to choose from. There's literally something to suit everybody.
Why pay more for less? Literally is what I was paying, more for less.
Being with Tesco Mobile, I'm getting so much more and I have more money in my pocket basically.
And that's the truth, it's the main thing.